Do you guys ever rush to the store to get the seeds because it's already late in the season? You don't even want to order it online because it's going to take a few days. So you drive 20 miles just to get those seeds because you forgot about it. Hi, this is Ruchi here from Easy Peasy Gardening. Today I want to show you a solution for this problem. Of course, I can't give you a complete solution, but my solution is that when the season is ending, you save your own seeds. And that way you have it ready for the next season. So today I'm going to show you how to save chard seeds. I overwintered this chard plant. It gave us good leaves in spring, and now it is summers and it has grown really tall, and now it has bolted. So I'm waiting for the seeds to form. So I want to save seeds from this. So if you look at this chard plant now, it is starting to dry up. So I've been waiting for these seeds to dry up, and just noticed on this branch all these seeds are dry. Like if you look at this, they are green and these are all yellow. So I can just take them out, and here are all my seeds. Here is another branch which is completely brown. So I'm going to just save some of these seeds for the next season, and then remove the plant from here. And even though these seeds look dry, I'm going to leave it in a shaded area in the open to dry a little bit more. And once I am 100% sure that there is no moisture, then I'm going to just save them in a Ziploc and store them away for the next season. So when your plant starts to bolt, you can snip off the bolts and keep using the leaves. But when it becomes excessive and the leaves start to become really small, then you know that it's time that the plant is going to die. So then you let it bolt, and then the seeds will form, and then you let them dry and save the seeds for the next season. I have stopped watering this plant so that the drying is a little faster. So I hope this short video was useful to you. If you have any vegetables growing at the end of the season, you should leave some seeds to form and then save them for the next season. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.